If you want to show or hide notification content in lock screen on Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we need to open Settings. Next, in Settings, we should be able to go to Notifications in here. And then once we open Notifications, we can tap on Notifications on lock screen. Now in here, we should be able to also find Show Sensitive Content when lock screen notifications are enabled, of course. So we can hide the notification content by just disabling this option, and if you want to show the content, you can turn it on in here. What you can also do is, if you go back to notification settings, then over here at the top we have app notifications, and then let's say we're gonna choose some example app over here. We can also go through these categories. So let's say we're gonna choose the default settings in here to find all default settings notifications. Sorry, we're gonna tap on the incoming messages, for example. So if you want to, generally speaking, have notification content enabled, but you want to have some notifications hidden, or their content that they should be hidden, then in here we should be able to find the lock screen setting, and then you can decide to show sensitive content only when unlocked. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.